Barely 2 years after the inauguration of the newly constructed MLA hostel at the Capital Complex in Agartala, BJP MLA Pramod Ryang has raised serious concerns over the quality of construction, citing water leakage and structural issues. Well, the Shanti Bazar MLA, who resides in the new facility along with most of his fellow legislators, woke up on Tuesday morning to find his suite flooded due to severe water leakage from the terrace. Well, claiming that the construction is of substandard quality, MLA Pramod Ryang fears that the situation might worsen with the arrival of the monsoon season. The BJP MLA urged the government to launch a thorough inquiry into the matter and, if necessary, take action against the construction agency responsible. The incident has sparked concern over accountability in state infrastructure projects, especially when public funds and legislative dignity are involved. The MLA hostel, inaugurated virtually by President Draupadi Murmu in October 2022 during her Tripura visit and officially allotted to MLAs in May 2023 in the presence of Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha and Speaker Bishwabandhu Sen, was constructed at a cost of Rs 52.15 crore. The facility, built over an area of 3,983 square kilometers, includes 45 suites, a library, gymnasium, meeting halls and other amenities, and the construction was under the supervision of the state PWD.
আমরা এসি 2023 গভর্নমেন্ট আসার পরে আমরা এই হোস্টেল আমরা সবাই এমএলএ আমরা এখানে ঢুকেছি। তো ঢোকার পরে দেখলো যে 2 বছরের নাগাদ যদি এইভাবে জল পড়ে আরো লম্বা আছে, আমরা যাওয়ার পর অনেক এমএলএরা আসবে এখানে বা থাকবে, কিন্তু তখন কি হবে? মাত্র 2 বছরের মধ্যে যদি এইভাবে কাজ হয়, একদম লো কোয়ালিটির কাজ, শুধু ওইটাই না, অনেক বাইরের দিকেও দেখছি আমরা, এগুলো মানে কাজগুলো ঠিক হয় না।